So, perfect blue skies, almost no wind, beautiful sunshine. These are indeed conditions for the beautiful game. The backdrop here, picturesque, idyllic. No doubt one of the best days of the footballing calendar, and it has added to a really jovial, happy mood in the stands, helping to raise the level of sound by more than a few decibels. Shirt sleeve order, very much the dress code. This place is living up to its reputation as one of the noisiest corners of the footballing world. No decibels spared in this collective chorus. So Jim, tell me this, who are you looking for in particular here?
Well, Peter, I've always liked the very all-round capabilities of this fella, Bruno Guimaraes. He's strong, competitive, aggressive without the ball, but one of the better distributors when he's on it. He usually slots into a deep midfield role, linking up with the wide men and centre-backs, but he's just as effective when he gets further up the pitch to find something more telling.
Well, quite no argument from me on that one. So it's down to business here. Trippier. Tonali. And Hall. Tonali. And Thiaw. And it's Trippier. Murphy. The defence just about came out on top, but they were certainly tested. Semenyo looking for options, for movement.
This is what good chemistry is all about.
Played into the mid. Chance for the header! He's done well to get his head on that, but couldn't score.
Well, this is simple. The supply is to be admired. The defending is to be admonished.
Gordon. The ball is loose and the chase is on. There's the ball in. And that has been clubbed away.
Well, Peter, look how far up the fullbacks are getting now. This is really high.
And constantly after the ball, aren't they?
Yeah, I think they're weighing up their options to see how long they can sustain this and suppress those wide opposition players.
Great chance!
What a cracking save from the keeper. That may turn out to be a pivotal moment.
Bruno Guimaraes. Tavernier. Neither side yet able to find the net. To Cook. Oh, what a... Even Nielsen! Now, who's going to be first to this? Aimed in towards the centre.
Oh, how that cross missed everyone is an absolute mystery to me. It warranted a finishing touch.
That has been knocked clear. It's loose, and there's a race for the ball. Clive Hurts just eases him off the ball. And now they can spring out of defence. There's a sharp little ball here. That's been intercepted. It'll be a throw-in. And he's managed to gift it back. And for a moment you felt that was going somewhere, but they'll have to go again. Is coming off in quick succession here. It's anyone's ball now. Well, that looks a foul. Yeah, referee's given it.
Well, it was deliberate, it was cynical, and you have to understand the frustration of being denied a clear opportunity, but it had to be done.
Oh, it really is a finish of the highest highest order. A true beauty of a goal, so brilliantly executed.
Well, he made it look effortless, clearly a training ground perfectionist.
Deadlock broken, it's 1-0.
Listen, when it comes to goals, Peter, in this team, he's always the #1 contender, and he's done it again.
There will be a throw-in. Kluivert. Gordon. Christie. Kluivert.
Oh, it's die-hard defence and the willingness to put his body on the line. Very impressive.
Yeah, he's pulled him up for that challenge. Murphy. Hall. Climbs up big! Oh, he's managed to get himself offside.
Cook. Okay, being behind at the break isn't ideal, but there's plenty of time to reply.
Kluivert to Cook, spreads it out wide. Decent ball. It's a corner. And now a sudden chance to counter. Strong running down that left flank. That's an excellent interception. Semenyo lofted upfield, and back to the keeper they go. And that'll be the final action of the first half. Steady, solid, and for now, where they want to be. Just one goal, and they have it. Good effort from both sides, but at half-time, it is 1-0.
Not the most convincing of displays. They could certainly do much better than this. They'll want to keep things simple, build up their confidence, and not rush into mistakes.
And the second half gets underway.
Well, I'm sure the managers talk the talk, and now it's time for these players to walk the walk and deliver a rousing response to a rousing team talk.
No, he's not getting his way this time. Gordon. Can he spark a counter here? Tavernier. Forwards and with intent. Trippier. Shifted upfield. Clearly not happy with that. Senesi. Truffert. Calmly anticipates. Semenyo now looking to orchestrate a counter. He's felt that, hasn't he? And now the breakaway. And that's gone behind for a goal kick. Christie. Tavernier. Oh, that's a fine challenge. Bruno Guimaraes. Nice interception, well timed.
But this is exactly the approach they have to take now, Peter.
They're coming again and again.
Spot on, Peter.
Kluivert. Oh, it's a promising build-up, this. Plenty of really nice passing. Chance here to counter. And they've got it back as soon as they gave it away. Fiddles it through. Trippier. Murphy. In with a header! I think that's offside. Yes, it is. Truffert. Kluivert. Tavernier. So, Jim, what are you thinking?
Well, the stats are pretty telling here. It's hard to argue with the scoreline when you carry so little threat.
Truffert. Semenyo. Oh, good ball. Murphy. And it's Trippier. Truffert. It's Christie. Semenyo.
There's a real appetite from them to finally put this game to bed, but will they?
Time and again they are repelled.
Well, there's plenty to like about this approach. Get your head down, keep battling away, and eventually things might change for you.
Kluivert. Nice ball, and he's had a hit! A collective sigh of relief from the defence. There is some activity down on the touchline. It seems there's going to be a change.
I think you have to admire his willingness to keep plugging away, but the manager has done him a big favour, I think, by taking him off. You know, he was looking very, very leggy.
Driving forward. Solid defending. Refused to be out-muscled.
Keep calm and carry on. That's the job in a nutshell now.
Oh, he's going to be pulled back for that one.
Yeah, it's safe to say that they just need to manage this to secure the win now.
Forward it goes.
I think it's time for them to concentrate on closing this one out.
Tavernier. Trippier. And there goes the final whistle.